He packed his coat for summer rain, left gray skies in the northern train, chased a postcard to the clouds, to the hills he'd only dreamed about. First breath out on Ward's Lake Road, mist on glass, a borrowed coat. He heard her laughing at the stall, spice and smoke along police bazaar walls. Under clouds, over Shillong, he found a new home in her song. From England to a hillside world, he gave his heart to a Cassie girl. Every road, every river he crossed, all his maps shaken loose, redrawn. Under clouds, over Shillong, he learned where he belonged. She spoke of roots and sacred groves, ancient stones and secret roads, taught his clumsy tongue her name, every syllable a little flame. Monsoon thunder, leaking roof, shared an umbrella, shared the truth. Chai cups lined up in a row, hands brushed once and time slowed. Under clouds, over Shillong, he found a new home in her song. From England to her hillside world, he gave his heart to a Cassie girl. Every road, every river he crossed, all his maps shaken loose, redrawn. Under clouds, over Shillong, he learned where he belonged. He wrote his mother from the rain, I came a tourist, but I'll never be the same. She wrote back, love, follow where you're led. So he bought a ring instead. Oh yeah. Wedding bells in muffling air, pine trees swaying like a prayer, white dress trimmed with woven thread, old vows and words he'd barely said. Her auntie's humming, eyes all bright, his father blinking back surprised. Two small worlds, one crowded room, flower chains in crimson bloom. Under clouds, over Shillong, he built a new life in her song. From England to a